Your FastMCP resources work flawlessly, but are they visually distinguishable when users navigate complex configurations? We'll add a custom icon to a settings resource, showing how visual cues make system configurations instantly recognizable in client interfaces. You'll see exactly how to attach icons to any resource endpoint with just one line of decorator configuration. At MCP, resource, config//settings, icons equals icon, src equals https://example, com/config icon, png, def get settings, dict, retrieve application settings, return theme, dark language, n. This demonstrates the declarative resource pattern for exposing structured data endpoints in FastMCP. The approach uses decorators to define self-describing resources that combine data retrieval logic with metadata like icons and documentation. What makes this distinctive is how it transforms simple Python functions into discoverable, client-friendly endpoints without explicit routing code. The pattern works by treating resources as first-class components with attached metadata. When you decorate a function with @MCP resource, you're creating a contract that specifies both the data shape and its presentation layer, while keeping the implementation clean and focused. This separation allows client applications to dynamically discover and render resources with appropriate visual cues without hard-coding UI logic. This approach solves the common problem of API presentation complexity. Instead of maintaining separate documentation, routing, and UI metadata, you define everything in one place using Python's native type system. It's particularly valuable for internal tools, admin panels, or any system where you want to expose configuration or data endpoints with minimal boilerplate while ensuring clients can present them effectively. Let's break it down line by line. At MCP, resource, config//settings. This registers the function as a resource endpoint in FastMCP's configuration system. The config//settings URI declares this as a configuration resource, making it accessible through FastMCP's standardized resource interface. Icons equals icon, src equals https://example, com/config icon, png. This assigns a visual icon to the resource endpoint, displayed in AI tool interfaces. The icon class standardizes icon references across the MCP framework, ensuring consistent rendering in different client applications. This closing parenthesis terminates the @MCP resource decorator declaration, finalizing the configuration for this endpoint. Without it, Python would raise a syntax error, as decorators require complete parameter lists before the function definition. This pattern is standard for all FastMCP resource declarations. Def get settings, dict. This defines a function that returns application settings as a dictionary. The dict type hint enforces return type consistency, ensuring callers receive structured configuration data. Retrieve application settings. This docstring defines the tool's purpose for AI models and human developers. FastMCP converts it into the tool's description in the generated schema, while also serving as standard Python documentation. Return theme, dark language, n. This returns a hard-coded configuration dictionary with default settings. In a real implementation, you'd typically fetch this from a database or config file, but this demonstrates the expected response structure for the settings endpoint. Visual component design. Icons in FastMCP 2 transform abstract functions into tangible interfaces, bridging Python logic with human perception through visual metadata. The icons (src) field accepts both URLs and data URIs, but omitting the MIME type for data URIs will silently fail in most MCP clients. Always validate icons appear correctly in your target client before deployment.
The icon that names the function becomes the function that names the icon.